what are some of the benefits that people should expect to feel or see from taking your Rebalance Probiotic Formula?
So the things that I've noticed with my patients, I've had patients have better immune system function, so less colds, better sinus health. If they would get sick more often or allergies, they would notice a decrease in those, because the immune system, 70% of your immune system comes from your gut bacteria and from your intestinal tract. So the healthier your microbiome is, which is basically the good bacteria that you have in your system, the healthier immune system you're going to have. So I've had many patients who come to me and have had a better immune system response. Number two, they're going to have better digestion. Now, I see less bloating, I see less constipation, I see less diarrhea, I see less gas formation. It's interesting with digestion. When you have healthy digestion and you have a good bacteria balance in your system, one person who's constipated all the time now might become more regular. Another person who might have like irritable bowel syndrome and have diarrhea all the time now will start having less bowel movements and be more regular, but in the other way. Because the goal is not to try to fix one particular symptom. The goal is to balance the body. That's why I call the product Rebalance. Because it's not, I'm going to eliminate diarrhea or I'm going to eliminate constipation. We're going to balance your body so that your system does what it needs to do. And so gas, bloating, diarrhea, constipation, any digestive issue, along with a boost in immune function. And not a lot of people know this about probiotics, but there's a study done that if you had taken antibiotics 5 or more times in your life, you had a 50% chance or greater of becoming depressed. 50% or greater. 5 antibiotic courses in your life, which is nothing. I know people who do 5 antibiotics in 1 year. And that's because the gut bacteria help produce serotonin. And serotonin is our feel-good brain chemical. I mean, people are on antidepressants. They're serotonin reuptake inhibitors. So they're basically doing things to boost serotonin. They're taking drugs to increase serotonin when you can take a probiotic and increase serotonin.